My friend and I drink tea with yummies. But why would we eat regular cookies when we can make sweet pineapple treats? Cut a pineapple into thick rings. Cut out different figures out of them using cookie cutters. Stick skewers into the figures and dip them into melted confectionery glaze. Cover the glaze with sprinkles while it is still hot. Pineapple figures covered with sweet glaze are finger-lickin' good. This is exactly what you need for a big group of friends. Every guest would like to help oneself to this pineapple on a skewer. So prepare more figures. My friend decides to decorate a shelf with a pineapple. But a fresh pineapple would be more appropriate in the kitchen. And we can make a creative decor for the living room. A pineapple-shaped candle jar. Use a sponge to apply yellow acrylic paint to a glass jar. Paint check marks with black paint. Make it look like a pineapple peel. Cut out 2 details for a leaf out of green felt. Cut a straw. Hot glue 2 halves of the leaf and hot glue a piece of the straw inside so that the leaf doesn't fall. Hot glue a few leaves like this to the jar lid. Put an LED candle inside the jar. Paint the lid in green. Blondie is bewildered. Where's her nice pineapple? But this candle jar is even better. Moreover, it can last for ages and won't go bad. And it is better to eat a real pineapple. I am cleaning up in my apartment and I find glitter traces everywhere. What's wrong? Did a star actually fall here? But there is only one person who fell from space, and this is my friend. She decided to make a bright pink glittering pineapple. Paint a pineapple with pink food paint. Sprinkle it with edible glitter on top. Paint the leaves separately. Inside and outside. And sprinkle them with edible glitter too. So here is where all this glitter comes from. Blondie is thrilled with her new brilliant idea. This pineapple is a king of glamour. You can arrange a bright photo shoot with it, or use it as a party decoration, or just give it to a modern art museum. All eyes will definitely be on this pink and glamorous pineapple. I want to make a nice card, but something is missing. Maybe I should look for inspiration in the kitchen. There will be something interesting for sure. Blondie peels a potato. Problem solved! I will make a card with pineapples. What is the connection between potatoes and a pineapple? It's easy! Cut a raw potato in half. Cut out deep strips on it so that you get a diamond pattern. Cut out a slice of potato separately. Apply yellow paint to the cut. And make imprints on thick paper. Paint the slice in green. And make imprints of pineapple leaves. Fold the paper with the pineapple print in half and sign the card. Ready? My friend can't understand where her potato is, but she forgives me when I give her this bright card because Blondie loves pineapples more than potatoes. We almost finished the pineapple. It was tasty, but we do not want to rush to throw out the peel. My friend has one more recipe on how to use pineapple to the fullest extent. Cut a pineapple peel into elongated pieces. Put them into a cup. Cut a star fruit into thin pieces and put a few stars into the cup. Pour syrup inside and fill the glass with water. Mix it and decorate the glass. You get a delicious and refreshing cocktail. Furthermore, it's beautiful. You can close your eyes and imagine that you are in the jungles enjoying a hot resort, and life is beautiful. Did you like our pineapple ideas? Then write in your comments how you will use a pineapple next time. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new funny ideas on the Troom channel.